Hello, and welcome back to Clear Voice English. Today's story is called My Day Without a Phone. Have you ever imagined living one day without your phone? No messages, no internet, no apps. Sounds difficult, right? Let's see what happens when Tom forgets his phone. Our story begins with Tom. He lives in a big city. Every morning he checks his phone. What messages did he get? What does his calendar say? What videos should he watch? But one day, oh no, Tom cannot find his phone. Scene 1. Locked out. Ashley, Tom, you look worried. What happened? Tom, Ashley, I have a big problem. Ashley, okay, tell me. Tom, I locked myself out. My keys are inside my apartment. Ashley, oh no, that's bad. Tom, and it gets worse. My phone is also inside. Ashley, so you have no key and no phone? Tom, exactly. I feel nervous. What should I do? Ashley, don't worry. Maybe this is a good thing. You can try one day without a phone. Tom, one day without a phone? That sounds scary. Ashley, or it could be fun. Let's go explore together. Tom and Ashley decide to leave the apartment. Now they have an important decision. How can they leave the house without a taxi? Scene 2, the bus ride. Ashley, let's go to the library. Tom, but how? I usually use Uber on my phone. Ashley, today we use the bus. Come on. At the bus stop, Tom. I feel nervous. Without my phone, I don't know the time. Ashley, look at the bus stop sign. It shows the schedule. Tom, oh, another way to know the time. On the bus, Tom. Everyone is looking at their phones, but I have nothing to do. Ashley, look outside the window. Trees, buildings, people. Tom, wow. The view is better than my small screen. Ashley, exactly. Without your phone, you can see the real world. When they arrive at the library, Tom feels very happy. He can study and practice his English. Scene 3, the library. Tom, wow, the library is so big and quiet. Ashley, yes, people come here to focus. That means to pay attention. Tom, I like that. It feels calm here. They find a cooking book. Ashley, look, this is a recipe. Do you know what a recipe is? Tom, yes, it's a plan for food. Interesting. Ashley, right. Books give full information, not just small pieces like on social media. Tom, true. Reading makes me feel calm. After 3 hours, it's time to leave. Ashley and Tom want to have lunch, but where should they go? Scene 4, the beach. Tom, wow. The sea is so big and open. Ashley, yes, it feels alive. The waves never stop. Tom, usually I just see pictures on my phone, but this is real. Ashley, exactly. You don't need photos. You can remember with your heart. Tom, that's beautiful. I feel free. Tom and Ashley walk along the beach for 30 minutes. Then they have an idea. Scene 5, the cinema. Ashley, let's watch a movie at the cinema, a big screen, not a small phone. Tom, good idea. Inside, Tom. The screen is huge. The sound is so loud. Ashley, yes, the cinema makes you feel inside the story. Tom, this is amazing, much better than watching on my phone. When the movie ends, Tom and Ashley start to walk home. Scene 6, the walk home. Tom, the city looks different at night. I see the lights, the buildings, everything feels alive. Ashley, yes. When your hands are free, you notice more. Tom, you're right. I saw more today and I thought more too. Tom and Ashley arrive home. They are tired but very happy. Conclusion. Ashley, so Tom, one full day without a phone. How do you feel? Tom, at first nervous, but now calm, free, and happy. Ashley, that's great. Tom, and I also practiced my English today. In the bus, the library, the beach, and the cinema. Ashley, yes, repeating new words made your English stronger. Tom, exactly. Less phone, more learning. I like it. And that's all for our story today. What about you? Could you spend one full day without your phone? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want more fun English learning stories. This was Clear Voice English. See you next time.